Jadakiss? It's that. We got Jessi Newsflash MV. Man, it's been a minute, Jessi. How you doing? All right, let's check this out, y'all. Before that, be sure to check out the Patreon. If you haven't already, go check it out. Link in the description. You can follow, you can subscribe over there, support your boy. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitch. You already know your boy streams too. I might try streaming on YouTube Live because I be playing that game, Five Nights at Freddy's, and it's getting me scared, and I need more people to help me. Anyways, without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. Jessi Newsflash, let's get it, let's get it. Bow. Unnie presents Jessi. Where are we? In New York? Newsflash, Jessi still that bitch? Okay.
I'm not ready for it.
Oh. Jessi's back.
Newsflash, coming live from the scene. Guess who's back?
Woo!
Yeah, the spotlight's on me, but you knew that.
Hey!
Making headlines.
Hey!
Stepping outside, it's a newsflash.
Newsflash! Jessi's back! Hey!
Bitch with a new swag.
Hey!
Living my life.
Hey!
I
Oh,
don't
that's.
catch feelings, I catch flights.
She don't catch feelings. She catching flights.
Don't believe all the hype. I don't read what they
Oh,
type.
we in New York.
Media talking, Jessi this, Jessi that.
What?
Me out like a stray little kitty cat.
Whoa!
Got the world at her feet.
What?
Be pressing for a story.
Let's go.
Breaking, looking for me. Turn his story to her story. She be soaring. She on the scene. Reaching
No, not in
new
New York.
heights. She got big dreams, placing big bets. She be scoring.
What? Jadakiss?
She's still that big. I'm the ordinary. It was all destiny.
It's that. Yeah, it's Jadakiss.
But the press don't sleep. And we're live in 3, 2. Newsflash, coming live from the scene. Guess
Ooh,
who's back?
is he
Yeah, the spotlight's
gonna rap?
on me,
Let me
but
just
you knew
cameo.
that. And I'm making headlines every time I'm stepping outside. It's a newsflash.
Newsflash.
Walking out to the deal with a new bag.
Hey.
Bad bitch with a new swag. I'm just living my life alright. I don't
Woo.
catch feelings, I catch flights.
What?
Back outside, bet you miss me, right?
Woo.
Thought about it when you diss me, right? It's
Oh.
official. You a grown man acting like I bit you. Got
What?
a little shine, but the karma won't miss you. I guess it comes down to my lifestyle. Still rocking that stage like a wild child.
Let's go,
Behind
Jessi.
the scenes, bro, I'm the real deal. I'm the one taking action like Kill Bill. Kill. They need me, yeah. Crowd go wild when you see me, yeah.
Yeah.
Back on top like a beanie.
She look good though. She always do.
Genie, yeah. Better kitty, yeah. I never quit. How we gon' lose when all we do is win?
Hey.
And you fucking with the lies. Turn the TV on, bitch. Channel 15. Newsflash, coming live from the scene. Guess who's back?
Hey, who's back?
You knew that. And I'm making headlines every time I'm stepping outside. It's a
Newsflash.
Walking out to the deal with a new bag.
Hey.
Bad bitch with a new swag. I'm just living my life.
Hey,
I don't
hey.
catch feelings, I catch flights.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just feeling myself.
Damn. Oh, what that tongue do?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm glad she's back though.
Babies, kumawa.
Hey. Let's go. Shout out to the Jabbies. How we doing? Shout out to the Jabbies. Hey. It's your
Oh my
wait.
god, I love Jessi on me.
Oh. Wait. Does he do it?
Oh my god, I love Jessi on me.
That's crazy. It's your boy Jessi on the track. Keep on going every day like we stacking the paper. Keep on going. All I gotta say is Jessi's back. Let's get it. Let's go. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.